Welcome back to the internet web. Imagine driving away from a tornado like a normal person would, and you just see a car chasing it to record a video. Hey yo, now hold up, where did this car come from? And why are they outside their window? Are they doing like a drive-by shooting or something? Oh, never mind, they stopped. And this guy re-overtakes them and gets the crown back for being the world's craziest person. This is what it looks like if a meteor goes over your house. This diagram shows the different levels of bread toasting results, but why is level 6 even an option? You're just eating coal.
I mean, it's alright, like...
It's the biggest piece of dog shit.
Whoa, 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 hey, 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 hey! What do you even have to do to get this many cops behind you? Let me know down below what you think.
The world's brightest flashlight in 3, 2, 1. Okay. I gotta turn that off.
The people in these houses are probably gonna think World War III is beginning. Like, why is there light outside at 2 a.m.? If you shake your device, you can see the cartoon in the middle moving, even though it's a photo. This machine is made so that it only removes unripe tomatoes. The deepest lake on Earth, also known as Lake Baikal, had these frozen methane bubbles forming under the water. Thank you all so much for watching. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe with notifications on to catch my next video.